Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a heartbreaking news, and I want to use my channel to help the FBI however I can. On September 10th, 2025, conservative activist Charlie Kirk was fatally shot during a public speaking event at Utah Valley University in Orem, Utah. The incident occurred around 12:20 p.m. MDT, while Kirk was addressing a crowd of approximately 3,000 attendees as part of his American comeback tour. He was struck in the neck by a single shot fired from a rooftop approximately 142 yards away. Witnesses reported seeing blood pouring from his neck as he collapsed on stage.
So recently, FBI released this image of a person of interest, and it's also asking for any useful information, and you'll be rewarded the sum of $100,000. Please, if you have any useful information, kindly come up. We would really be needing it. Thank you so much.
The FBI has released images of a person of interest and is offering a $100,000 reward for information leading to the identification and arrest of the shooter. 2 individuals were initially detained but later released after authorities determined they were not involved in the incident. In the wake of Kirk's death, President Donald Trump announced plans to posthumously award him the Presidential Medal of Freedom, praising his dedication to American youth and conservative activism. Kirk is survived by his wife, Erika Frantzve, and their 2 young children. The shooting has sparked widespread condemnation across the political spectrum, with leaders and public figures emphasizing the need to reject political violence and uphold democratic values. The investigation remains ongoing as authorities continue their search for the perpetrator. As investigations continue, many seek understanding. Who carried out the attack? What was the motive? How could this happen at an event meant for dialogue? For now, the story of Charlie Kirk ends with a violent act at a public speaking engagement. But the aftershocks, both in politics and in the public conversation, are far from over. The big question is, who killed Charlie Kirk? Comment your thoughts here, and if you have any useful information, kindly reach out to the FBI. Tatsau tapornor yo tatsau a so call chiu a think that chabarko. Watch out for more information on this channel. Please subscribe and click on the bell to always get notifications. Thank you.